Alright, IMK here again, bringing you a video on the R32. Today's video, we're going to be doing the coilovers, and then doing rear rotors and pads. This one has been sticking quite bad. As you can see here, it's got literally no pad on there. So we'll replace this caliper and coilovers, struts. As you can see here, what? Stay tuned for the time lapse. Cheers, everyone.
Yep. Well, it was right after he wanted to miss this thing, and this fellow, he his fucking gone, but he was missed it on his shit. Yeah. I had on fire, so went out. He didn't wear a shoe guard. Blew up that motherfucker's legs and tore him off the head.
That's the police.
The next gun in your head, he come up and said, he looked at him. Yeah. Fuck you up.
Oh, I believe it. I believe it.
I got to throw over him. Yeah, all this.
I got that in the car, that's it. I hit some time, that was it. I don't play.
Got on your feet. Swing it. I had a boy power team playing. Oh, shit. He played for school.
She's kind of dope.
The team was called, they were called Hollywood.